In this video, I will show you how to add the Core Mainnet network to your Trust Wallet. Launch the Trust Wallet app on your device. Tap the icon in the top right corner of the main screen. This will open the Manage Crypto section. Tap the plus icon at the top right again. You will see two tabs like Tokens and Networks. Switch to the Network tab. Now you will need to enter the following information. In network name, type core blockchain or according to your preference. In node URL, https://rpc.nkr.com.core. In symbol, type core. You can find these details by searching Core Mainnet RPC info online, but we have already provided them here for your convenience. Once you have filled in the required fields, tap Import. You should see a confirmation that Core Mainnet has been added successfully. And that's it. You have successfully added the Core Blockchain Mainnet to your Trust Wallet. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.